Hi, I'm Dr. Allie, and this is my best buddy Riley. Today we're going to be showing you how to brush your pet's teeth. So brushing your dog's teeth is important not just because you're combating bad breath, but also it's going to help reduce tartar buildup, reduce plaque, reduce gingivitis and periodontal disease, and all sorts of other important stuff that we're going to talk about in our other video. But this is mainly just instructions on how to get the job done. Maybe you've never brushed your dog's teeth before, maybe you've got a puppy and you're trying to get them started off right. Maybe your dog just got an awesome discount dental from your favorite vets at Fairleigh Animal Hospital because it's Dental Health Month for pets. Whatever your reason, we're going to show you how to do it. We're going to encourage you and show you that it's not difficult. It doesn't have to be intimidating. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a great way to keep your pet happier and healthier every single day. So to start, you're going to need a toothbrush. You can use a human toothbrush. Riley's excited. You can use a human toothbrush. They make special dog toothbrushes that actually kind of cover all the surfaces of the teeth all at the same time. They make little finger brushes that kind of slip over your finger, and you can kind of use that to wipe the toothpaste onto their teeth. Different things work. It's just kind of a matter of what works best for you and for your dog. You're also going to need some canine toothpaste. Really any brand works. You're going to be able to find it probably from your local pet retailer. You can get definitely a good toothpaste from your veterinarian. You just want to make sure that it's got not only the antibacterial action but also an enzyme for tartar control. And so you definitely don't want to use human toothpaste on your dog because you can't make your dog spit it out. And even toddler toothpaste is not going to do what your dog needs as far as a canine toothpaste. The way that human toothpaste works is kind of a gritty action, and the mechanical action of brushing your teeth twice a day is going to get the plaque off. The plaque is kind of that fuzzy sweater that you feel when you don't brush your teeth as often as you should. For dogs, we're not going to be brushing their teeth twice a day. I don't expect anybody to do that. I don't do that. You're at the most probably going to be doing it every day, maybe every other day. If you're doing it less than twice a week, you might as well just not waste your time. As long as you're doing it 2 or 3 times a week, you're making significant progress. And so what that enzyme is going to do is actually break down the tartar. So the plaque, when it calcifies with your dog's saliva, it becomes tartar, which is the brown stuff that you sometimes see on your dog's teeth when they start to get yucky. And so the enzyme is going to help actually break that down. You're not going to be able to brush away all of the tartar, but over time you can break it down with that enzyme. So you want to make sure that you're buying a toothpaste that's got an enzyme in it. There's all kinds of other products out there too, like water additives, dental cleansers, little wipes. All of those work too, but they kind of work in conjunction with brushing. So brushing is going to be the most important aspect of your dog's dental health. So we're going to show you how to do that. And you can really start brushing your dog's teeth at any time. Puppyhood is best because that way it just kind of becomes a part of their daily routine and it's not a big deal. Riley started brushing his teeth when he was probably about 5 months old, when he started getting his big boy teeth. But even if you've got an older adult dog, you can still start at any point brushing their teeth and just kind of use a lot of treats, make it a positive experience, make it fun. Start slow with just maybe 30 seconds of brushing and kind of slowly work your way up so that they realize it's not a big deal and they're going to get a treat at the end. Right. So this is the best way to restrain your dog when you're brushing their teeth. He's kind of backed up against my legs so that he can't try to back up or leave or get away from me before we're finished. So this is probably one of the best restraint techniques. Plus this way I can have both hands free to kind of hold his head and manipulate the toothbrush and do what I need to do. So once you put your toothpaste on your toothbrush, you're just going to hold his mouth shut. I'm going to do it this way to show you. You're just going to hold his mouth shut, and I'm just going to go right inside of his lips and just brush, just like that. So that way he can't really get his mouth around the toothbrush to chew on it, because that's a lot of dogs' natural inclination is to want to chew on that toothbrush. But this way, especially if you're just starting, this is kind of an easier way to do it. And the main places that I'm focusing on brushing are going to be these big pointy eye teeth in front, his canine teeth up here, and then also in the very, very back. If you can see that big back tooth, that's his molar, and it's actually got a little bit of tartar on it. He's going to need a dental here pretty soon. But those are the main places that really accumulate tartar, just because when they're crunching their kibbles and the way that a dog's mouth is set up, regardless of breed, that just tends to be where most of the tartar builds up, just because there's not as much of that friction crunching action of when they're eating their kibbles to really crunch the tartar off of those areas. And so just like when I brush my teeth, or when you brush yours, I'm using kind of a circular action right here. So I'm kind of getting the gum line as well as the tooth itself. So I'm really getting a lot of that antimicrobial toothpaste up into his gum line where a lot of the bacteria will build up. And then when you're done, that's pretty much it. You know, it should altogether take maybe a minute at the most. So it's really not a time-consuming thing. It shouldn't be a battle or a struggle. And that is how you brush your dog's teeth. And if you have any questions or want to talk more about dental health, or if you think that maybe your dog needs a dental, definitely give us a call at Fairleigh Animal Hospital, and we'd love to talk to you. Have a great day.